We're at the Mitsubishi dealer today, taking a look at the Mitsubishi Pajero Sport. I'm not sure how to say it, but it's got 18-inch wheels, 7-passenger seating. I'll show you the interior, leather. Smells like a nice new car. I was sitting in it. See how much room there is in the back. Well, still got a lot of room. It's a pretty enough car. The good thing about this is it's got fold-away seats for the rear passengers, so you don't lose any space. That was the negative that I found about the Fortuner, is the seats folded up, and it just doesn't leave you enough room. It's got a nice slow close. And a 2.4 liter diesel engine. All the cars we've been looking at so far here in Thailand, their navigation is just connected to your phone. It shows up on the screen, but it's still just connects with your phone. Now this one here is 1.3 million, so it's actually not a bad deal for the car. Decent price. I did look at their pickups as well here, and I just don't fit in them. So I hope you like this. That's all I have to share for now.